Good morning children, welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. Today I am going to tell you very important words. Listen very carefully children. Up to yesterday we are doing quadratic equations chapter, right? Up to yesterday we did quadratic equations chapter. But syllabus came from CBSE board. That is, we uploaded, I think so, in your group. If not, tomorrow I am going to upload that. Okay? In that, quadratic equations chapter for term 2. Quadratic equations for term 2. It's no problem because we finished half of the chapter. Hardly one exercise left. Okay? And 5 sums and hardly one exercise left. So no problem at all, nothing worries in that. So keep that book, means whatever the book you are doing, keep that book like that only. Okay? Don't leave any pages or anything. Okay? Go to the fresh page and start coordinate geometry. Okay? Now this is the chapter, it is there for PA2. Okay? That means the PA2 syllabus is mine is coordinate geometry and GK sir version sir will tell. Okay, what syllabus is there for GK sir. So according to track 1, mine is only one chapter coordinate geometry. That too you already learned in the earlier class in 9th standard. So I'll revise it, don't worry. And you know that in this also you are very lucky. Only 2 exercises are there. Okay. Only 2 exercises. The third exercise is deleted from the syllabus. That means in your syllabus part, the third exercise is not there. That is completely depend upon area of a triangle. So we have only 2 topics. That is, one is distance formula and other is section formula. One is distance formula and other is section formula. Only basing on these 2 formulas only 2 exercises are there. Those 2 exercises only in our syllabus. So for examination also those 2 exercises. And I think all the JB sir told for you in the Google Meet how we are going to send you that MCQs and everything like that. So daily 5 MCQs. We are starting from the Monday. Whether class is there or not, we don't bother. Means my class is there or not, we don't bother about all that. So we are sending 5 MCQs or 10 MCQs. Okay. And the evening we are going to send the key for that. And you separately for maths, for both one book is enough, from front and from back side also no problem. Okay, front track 1, back side track 2, you can proceed there. So each and every day, whatever we are giving MCQs, so daily note down along with the answers. That means answers A, B, C, D options is there. If you know the solutions, it's better because we are going to send along with the key. We are going to send in the evening, we said no. So if you want to write the solution also, it's very good for your reference, not for our purpose. It is only for your purpose. Okay. So whenever you come to the school, that means we are going to call soon for a books correction. That time you have to submit this MCQs book. You know that for marks, for maintaining the class or book and everything also marks are there. Okay. So don't worry. You can score more marks if you are perfect in completing the notes. Okay. Now coming to the coordinate geometry. So before learning about this distance formula and what I told, distance formula and the section formula. Okay. So before learning those 2 formulas, first I would like to give some important topic, that is, these are already you know this. This is the line which is called as a horizontal line. That means which is called as x-axis. Okay, horizontal line is called x-axis. Why I am telling once again means they'll ask you for the bits, because now onwards everything is like that, no? Bits or true or false or MCQs or matching, whatever it may be, we don't know what they are going to give. So that's why. So listen very carefully. So horizontal line we'll call it as a x-axis, and whereas vertical line is called y-axis. Okay children, and this is the horizontal axis and vertical axis means intersect at one point that is called origin. Okay, that is called origin. That is indicates always with letter O. Okay, don't feel that is 0, it's O. Okay, center O. And this intersecting point is there, no? It divides now into it divides into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we'll call it as a 4 quadrants. What are those? Quadrants. 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrants. So these are the quadrants. Okay, children, these are the 4 quadrants. And if you observe, this is right side. That means all positive numbers. All are positive. That means these are all positive, and this is towards upward direction. Okay, that is also positive. That means all the positive numbers here and all the positive numbers. That means here in the first quadrant, both the points means x-axis and y-axis. That means this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Okay, here like this. This is x comma y. X comma y, it means x coordinate and y coordinate. Actually, you know, children, this is a complete plane. You know what is the meaning of a plane? A plane is a flat surface which can extend indefinitely in both the directions. Okay, a plane is a flat surface which can extend indefinitely in both the directions or all the directions. Okay, so how much you want you can extend. So that is called a plane. In the plane it is called a Cartesian plane. Okay, this is called a Cartesian plane. In this we have quadrants. How many quadrants we have? 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. How these quadrants formed? Basing on horizontal line and vertical line intersect. Okay, and okay, these are called coordinates. These are called coordinates. Means one is x coordinate and y is y coordinate. X coordinate is also having another name, that is abscissa. X coordinate is also having another name, that is called abscissa. Whereas y coordinate is also having another name, y ordinate. Y ordinate. Y axis means x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is having another name, that is called abscissa. Whereas y coordinate is also having another name, y ordinate. Okay, those are the 2 another names. Now here if you clearly observe, this is also negative and this is positive. That means here the coordinates will be, one is negative, one is positive. That means x will be negative, y will be positive. And coming to the third quadrant, again this is negative, no? And this is also negative. So both are negative. So minus comma minus. So both x coordinate and y coordinates are negative. And coming to the fourth quadrant, that is, here it is plus and here it is minus. So plus comma minus. So that is x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. If you clearly observe here, first and third, okay, opposite symbols, plus minus, and similarly second and fourth, minus plus minus. Okay, so these are the quadrants, and you all know very well, children, how to plot the points also. Okay, we are not having that all that, but basing on that only this chapter is completely depends, means plotting the points. Okay, children, now I am going to show how to plot the points. Okay, children, now here I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and both I have taken positive only for understanding purpose. You all know how to plot the points in 9th standard. Okay, that you learn. Suppose if I give you 2, 3. If I will give you 2, 3. How will you plot the 2, 3 point here? 2 means x coordinate. See here 2 is there. Okay, where is 3? In the direction only you have to see. Means you have to start from the 2 and see 3 in y-axis. So here. So that is, this point is called 2, 3. Okay. Suppose like that, negative means, whereas negative side is there, you will get like that. But one thing you have to remember, if I give suppose 2 comma 0, this is only more important for this chapter. 2 comma 0. What you observe here, 2 comma 0 means here y-axis is 0. Here y coordinate is 0. Yes or no? Y coordinate is 0. That means where this point 2 comma 0 will lie, you know that? 2 comma 0, no? Here y coordinate is 0. That means this point lies on x-axis. That means see here 2 comma 0. Here it is 2, no? Here it is 0. So the point will come here 2 comma 0. Okay? That means it lies on x-axis. That means what do you understand? If the point means if y coordinate is 0, the point lies on x-axis. Suppose if the point means if the coordinate means x coordinate is 0 and y is 5. X coordinate is 0 and y is 5. That means here x coordinate is 0. That means where this point comes, this point lies on y-axis. That means 0 comma 5. 0 here, 5 will be here. So the point lies here, that is 0 comma 5. That means it lies on y-axis. Okay? Is it clear? Now coming to our topic, that is distance formula. Actually, why this distance formula is completely different. Okay? See here, children, if I give suppose a question like this, A to B, means this is A point and this is B point. If I will ask you to measure A to B, how much, means what will you do? Obviously, you will take a ruler, you will take a scale. Okay, ruler is called a scale, means another name. So you will take a ruler and you will measure A by AB value. That means from A to B how much? Suppose we will tell like this 5 centimeters. That means you are telling very easily. Okay, that means you are telling very easily by measuring the by using the scale. Okay, but whereas this point x coordinate and y coordinates, that means I will show you here. See, by drawing one figure. Suppose here I have drawn one line, straight line. Okay, here I have drawn line, and here A and here B. That means here I can take something like 5 comma 2, just simply here 1 comma 5 like that. That means I plotted the points like this, A value here and B value. Suppose feel that this is not there at all. This is not there. Actually, you just plotted the points A 5 comma 2 and B 1 comma 5. Obviously, what will happen? We used to draw a straight line in 9th standard. Okay, by plotting the points and you used to join. Or only the question they ask, only plotting the points, means just you used to plot the points and used to leave like this. And if they ask to draw the graph like y is equals to 5x plus 2, then what you used to do? You used to take x value something and y value you used to get. There you used to get some points like this. There the points what you used to do, you used to join, means you used to get like a straight line. Similarly, now my question is, here point A is 5 comma 2 and point B is 1 comma 5. Now I am asking how to find out the distance from A to B. My question is how to find out the distance from A to B when they have given the coordinate axis like this, x coordinate and y coordinate, and here B also x coordinate and y coordinate. But how will you find the distance? It is highly impossible to measure with a scale. Yes or no? Because this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. How we are going to measure how much it is? We don't know. So to finding such type of distance, we have one formula, that is distance formula. We'll call it as distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is what? Distance formula. means distance between any 2 points. Distance between any 2 points, okay, which is like an x coordinate and y coordinates. How to find out the distance means by using the formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you can take this one as x1 and this one as y1, this one x2 comma y2. And what to do? Substitute the values. Here x2 means what now? 1. I am doing here 1 minus x1 means what? 5. So 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. That means 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 whole square. So 1 minus 5 means minus 4. Minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 2, 3 whole square. So 4 square means 16 plus 3 square means 9. But children, here almost all the children, okay, if you are very alert and doing the sum means no problem. But here when if you see, that means we will call it as excitement, that is by seeing 16 and 9 you will find out the square root of 16 and 9. That is absolutely wrong. I think you all know. Okay, that is absolutely wrong. Why? Because when there is a plus symbol and there is a whole root for both, we have no right to find out individual square root for 16 and 9. First we have to add those two. That means you are getting here now 25. So what is the square root of 25 now? 5. That means 5 units. That means distance between A to B is 5 units. So this is the way how to find out the distance between 2 points when they are giving both A and B on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So now what is the distance formula? Distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Only substitution, children. Only substitution. If you know how to substitute, then every sum is very easy. Okay. Now here I will do only one small favor to you, that I will explain the sum. How to do it. Because again I will not write each and every step and sum. Okay. If you want, I will do one sum. Okay. For one sum I will do, and the remaining almost I will explain how to do it. I will explain. That sum you just do it in the CW only. Okay. Okay. That sum also do it in the CW. I will tell you when to write homework also. Okay. Now what sums I am telling after giving the notes. Okay. After giving the notes you can write everything in the CW. But here, okay, one more point is there. Here A value is 5, 2 and B value 1, 5. You find the distance very easily. Suppose if the point means if the line passing through the origin, here the point is O, that is 0, 0. Here suppose the point is A, something like 2, 3. What? Here, what is the difference between these two? Here 5, 2, here 1, 5. That is, you find the distance very easily. But here, what do you observe here? Here, one of the point is origin. That means both are 0. And here another point is 2, 3. That means one point is 0. That means both are 0. Means both x coordinate and y coordinate is 0. That means O 0, 0 and A 2, 3. Both the points are given, but one of the point here is 0. That time when they ask distance formula, no need to use this formula. Directly you can write the formula root over x square plus y square. When you have to apply this formula, when one of the point is 0, that means one of the point is origin. When one of the two, in the 2 points, one of the point is origin, then directly you can use root over x square plus y square. Whereas x is 2 and y is 3. That means root over 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So that is square root 13. Okay? When to use this formula? When one of the point is origin. when the 2 points are like this, like in this way, then you have to apply only this formula. Okay, now it is clear. I am going to explain the first sum of this exercise. Okay children, listen here. Exercise 7.1. The first question here. What is the first question? You know, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Okay, here the first question is given 2, 3, 4, 1. There are 2 points are given. You may get doubt now, sir, this one you have to copy it in CW. Yes, you can copy after I'll send the notes. Okay, then today what sums I am giving, all sums you do it in CW only, not in homework book. Okay, what sums I am giving homework also, that sums you have to do it in CW. And I told you now how to solve only, I'll tell you. Listen. Now first sum I am showing you example how to do it. So consider these 2 points names as A and B. Okay, so let A 2, 3, B 4, 1. Okay, don't write A equals to. Better if you write, it is better. A 2, 3, B 4, 1. Okay, because plotting the point means always the point like this, no? So we are plotting the point like this. So that's why actually all the points will be denoted with the capital letters. So that's why A and B. So not only A and B, any capital letters. So A value 2, 3, B value 4, 1. Now distance of AB. That means distance of AB. I told you the formula, no? What is the formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to apply root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, actually when it is objective no problem, but when it is subject wise, that means subjective, you have to write compulsory formula. Means term 2 almost all we have objective and subjective, but here we have only what? Only objective. Okay, so no problem for us. But when the sums are there in subjective, compulsory we have to write the formula like this. But we are very lucky this chapter is not there for the term 2. So a distance of AB equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For our clarification, take a pencil. Okay, for our clarification, take a pencil and write here x1, y1, x2, y2. Means this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Okay, then you will never commit a mistake. So x2 minus x1. x2 means 4, y1 means 2. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 3 whole square. Okay children? Now 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So 2 square means 4, 2 square means 4. So 4 plus 4 is root 8. That means square root is there, no? Square root 8. Here you cannot leave like this. You just, if any chance is there, you just find prime factors like this. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and you all know that pairs, when it is there as square root, we will select for the pairs. So we have a pair for these two, and we don't have that. So when you have a pair, no need to write in the square root. So 2 root 2 is the answer. You can write simply here units, because it is distance, no? So that's why we have to write 2 root 2 units. Okay, now this is the first sum how you have to write. Now here onwards I'll explain all the sums. Okay, how many sums I explain, those sums you do it in the CW. Okay. Now I am doing second Roman because first Roman, second one and third one you can do it in the CW only. Now second Roman. Find the second question itself. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay. That means he has given the points. What are the points? 0, 0 and 36, 15. 36, 15. As I told you, consider this one as A or your wish O also, no problem. So 0, 0 and here B 36, 15. If you want, you can consider this one as O also, no problem. Because maybe you get confused also. That's why you can write as A also, no problem. So your wish. It is depend completely upon you. So distance of AB. So here I told you one formula. What is that formula? When the one of the point is both the zeros, that means origin. This is origin. That means 0, 0. Then you have to apply direct formula. What is that? X square plus y square. When you have to write here distance of OB. When you are writing in CW, distance of OB equals to root over x square plus y square. What is x now? 36 square. Plus what is y? 15 square. So simplify this answer. Okay. Simplify this answer and 15, 36 into 36 you will get some answer. 15 into 15 you will get some answer, that is 225 around like that. Okay. So add those two. Possible if any square root is coming, find out the square root also for that. Okay. Next. Is it clear, children? So for today, that is I am giving you only two sums. That too you have to write where? In CW book only. That is exercise 7.1 and notes what I am giving. Those two sums you have to write in CW. And tomorrow's class, mostly I am going to finish up to, there are 10 sums I think so. Yes, there are 10 sums. Mostly I will try to finish up. Okay. Because explanation purpose. Because collinear is there, the third sum. Otherwise I would have finished now. Collinear means I have to explain for you. Now already it is nearly 20 minutes crossed it. So again you will face a problem with net. So okay. So tomorrow we will continue with the remaining sums. And clearly you understood now. Now for PA2 syllabus only this chapter only 2 exercises. Okay. Once again I am telling you for PA2 only 2 exercises from what? Coordinate geometry. Okay.